Hello friends, welcome back to our channel Stock Dr. RR. In this channel, we do pure technical analysis of US as well as Indian stock market. So today's video is dedicated for US indexes and some of the major commodities. So before we go and do a technical analysis, in case you have not subscribed to this channel, subscribe to this channel and hit the notification icon so that you will get notification of all the future videos which I'm going to make, and it will benefit you to handle your portfolio. So let's go and see the trading view here. This is our favorite application. Now let's see US 100. So last week we did the analysis and we predicted that once US 100 starts trading below 14,000, then it will give more pain, right? So here you see this is the boundary line of 14,000. You can see here on Friday session it start trading below that and it went almost 13,750. Now it closed at 13,800. So if you see here, this is the important uh, uh, you can say a parameter which you need to understand here. This was the trend of US 100, right? It was trading in this range very nicely, okay, from May 2020 till Jan 2022. So you can see here this rally lasted for almost 1 year and 6 months, right? It was a continuous uptrend, and you can see here the price range. If you see here from this top, this bottom to this top, almost 83% increase happened on the index. Now if you see here, let's clear everything. Okay, now if you see here, let me remove this point first. This trend got broke in 19th Jan 2022. It made a big red candle and this trend got broke. And now after this trend got broke, index started making lower lows, higher lows, right? And now this is standing on this position 14,000. If it won't sustain above 14,000, means it don't manage to trade above 14,000, then there are lot of supports which is coming into the picture right now. The first support is coming around 13,500, this red line. Second is coming around 13,000. Third is coming around 12,500. So these are the three short-term targets you can see on the Nasdaq 100. And just think about all the stocks which are under US 100, Nasdaq 100, how they are going to perform. Okay, because if index is not supporting, index is going down from here, then these stocks will also get beaten down more. Now where is the turnaround, right? Where will be the change in the picture? If US 100 starts trading above 14,600, this line, okay, if it starts trading above this line, okay, then the targets will come around 15,200. And if it trade above 15,200, then 15,600 is possible. So in the nutshell, friends, you can understand here, US 100 needs to trade above 14,600, which I don't think at this point of time, because if you have seen my last week videos, I clearly mentioned that because of the war happened, a lot of data points will come later, and that will give more impact on the market on the negative side, and that we saw this week, and it will continue on the next week, I think. If you see the weekly chart here, on the weekly chart you can see the formation of the candle. Okay, you can see here the last week, the from the bottom buying came and it managed to close, okay, on the higher side here, okay, kind of hammer. But if you see this week, last week, I mean, this was the previous to last week. This candle was the previous to last week, and you can see the last week candle. There was a selling pressure come from the upside. Okay, so let's go and see Dow Jones. Dow Jones, you can see the weekly candle here. Same thing, kind of previous week, uh, last previous to last week. You can see the candle was kind of buying came, but last week you can see the spinning top. Okay, and if you see the day chart, right, as I mentioned in the last week video, it was trading in this channel nicely. The channel got broke here, and now it is trading in the important support zone of 33,700 and 33,400 is the support range. Okay, this is the support range. If it starts trading below this support range, if it starts trading below 33,400, then in last video I mentioned that if it starts trading below 33,400, then first target will come as 33,000, second target will come around 32,500, and the third target will come around 32,000. Okay, these are the, you know, short term immediate targets. Okay, if it starts trading above 33,700, then the first immediate target is 34,000. Okay, second target is 34,400. Third target is 34,700. And if it starts trading above 34,700 continuously, then we will think about upside in the market, right? So please take a note of these levels. The next index we have is S&P 500. The same thing for the S&P 500. Once it starts trading below 4300, 4300, the first target it will be showing around 4210. Second target it is going to show around 4120, and third target it is going to show around 4025. Now, where is the upside? If it starts trading above 4400, then there is a movement of 100 points from there, that is 4500. If it starts trading above 4500, then the next target is coming around 4600, and the next will be 4700. So these are the upside targets, but as I told you all, I am looking for the downside in the market and I am looking for these targets. So this was about S&P 500. Friends, if you think that this video is helping you, don't forget to subscribe and like this video. Okay, the next we are going to talk about gold. Gold, as you all know, it's very interesting chart. And if you have seen my last many weeks videos, I was continuously mentioning about gold that once it starts trading and sustaining above one 1855 1860, then there will be high chances of gold to show very good upside. And you can see here on this day, okay, on this day it has given a breakout, okay, about above 1860, okay, and then immediately it on the next day it shown the target of 1900, which was our first target, then 1920, 1940, and 1960. These are all targets gold has given us on the very short time frame. Now why you know, we got our target successfully, because you can see here gold was trading in this range from September 2020, okay, till this means from till last 1 year and 6 months it was trading in this range. Okay, this range I'm talking about, this range, and this there is a range breakout. Now gold has still have big targets. Okay, now I'm looking for the big target of 2000 and then 2040 and 2080. this is definitely possible. Okay, but now gold gold looks, you know, kind of over bought, because you can see the RSI is quite high on the daily and weekly chart, but the price action is very strong. Okay, so uh, if somebody wants to take the position in the gold, okay, here gold has given a very good breakout, okay, about above 1960, and it can immediately go towards 1980 and then 2000, but I will wait for gold to give a little pullback. Now, where is the pullback? Pullback can be possible to this point, 1940. If gold come around 1940 and then again start going up and like this, then it is good for me to get it in the from the lower side. But there are possibilities that gold can go up directly from here. So, one can buy gold in the two batches. First at 1960, which is currently at the price, and second is around 1940 or 1930, that range. So this was about gold, and gold has support around 1900. If gold starts trading below 1900, then there can be a more pain and it can come back to the previous resistance, which gave a breakout here, this line, and then it can come back to 1855. So this was about gold. Next we talk about silver. Very interesting chart here. Guys, if you remember with silver, we were talking from, when it was around $22. Now you can see what a sharp move it gave. This was a very huge candle, 5% upside on the uh, 1st March. This all happened because of the war uncertainty. And now when it was at $25, I updated you all. From $25 it went to almost 20, near to $26. Okay, more upside is possible, right? From 25.80 it can go back to 26, 26.50, 27, 27.50. These all are possible. One can buy now, or one can buy when it come back to 25 again. Okay, see, one batch now and one batch if it come back to 25 again and then starts going up like this. So this is first and this is the second. Now if it starts trading below 25, then it can come back to the point where it actually started its rally, that is 24.50. So 24.50 is the ultimate support for the silver. If it starts trading below that, then it can give a more downside. Now we will talk about the one last commodity, which is crude oil. What a massive upside, my friends. You can see here on Friday itself, it gave a 7.5% upside. On the weekly chart, if you see here, in this last week itself, it gave around 26% upside, all because Mr. Putin. Because of the war, these all things happened about the commodities. Commodities gave very big upside. Now crude oil, having bigger targets from here, because you can see here, this was the long term, trend breakout happened at $94. From here, currently it is trading at $115. Now it has a strength to go towards 125.5, 133, 138. Now the question is, can it go immediately? This can be possible, because you can see this Friday's closing was very good. But if you ask me personally, I will wait for crude oil to give a little pullback. Okay, little bit pullback, right? Like from 115, it might be possible that it can come around 110 to 106. Okay, and then give upside from here like this. Or there can be possibilities that it can come back toward $100 also. Okay, so if somebody wants to create a position in crude oil, then I will advise that make a small position now, almost at $115. Second position is around $106. And third position, if it comes around $100, then third position should be created here. And from these levels, one could see the levels of almost $140. So, friends, this was all about today's session, today's analysis. I hope you might have got some good idea about about these levels, and if you follow these levels, then definitely it will help you. So, uh, in case you like this video, don't forget to subscribe, and let's learn and earn together. Thank you, my friends.